Hi, to activate and deactivate always on display on Xiaomi 13, go in the phone settings and here choose lock screen tab. Then scroll till the very bottom of the page and choose always on display. Now you would need to tap on it right here in this tab. And now you can customize it. You can select another style for your always on display when it's enabled, of course. You can go in display items and select something from here. And if you would like to disable always on display, you would need to tap on the switcher like that. And now when you will lock your phone, you won't be able to see any time, battery percentage, something like that. You'll see only total black screen. And you will need to unlock the phone to check the time, date, and so on. But when always on display is enabled, you will see this animation while locking your device. So here you can check date and time, even battery percentage if you add it to your always on display, and time. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.